Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Portmore. We are actually in Edgewater. Well, Edgewater is to the right, Bridgeview is to the right. We're actually going to take a tour of Fort Augusta Drive, also known as Back Road. So we are on George Lee Boulevard now, and we're going to head down towards Back Road. So as you know, Portmore is a very populated municipality. It's actually going to be a parish very soon. If anybody knows what the holdup is as to why Portmore is not a parish yet, because as far as I know, or the last I heard, is that everything was in place. There is no opposition. It's just a matter of time, formalities. But Portmore is going to become the 15th parish of Jamaica very soon. And it has one of the largest populations outside of the city of Kingston. It's a very developed area and it's growing very fast. So to the left is the Edgewater community. And then to the right now is Bridgeport. And I'm sure those are very popular communities in Portmore, very large communities too. We have videos up of driving through Edgewater and driving through Bridgeport. So you can check those videos out. On the right is the Bridgeport High School, very prominent school in Jamaica. Alright, so we're now turning left onto Port Henderson Road, and that will take us to Fort Augusta Drive. Alright, so this is now Fort Augusta Drive, or Back Road. And it's probably it's an entertainment district in Jamaica. You're going to find a lot of bars, restaurants. But it's very famous, as parts of it are like a red light district in Jamaica. That's probably what it's most famous for when you hear Back Road in Portmore. But that's just a small section. The rest of it has a lot of restaurants, bars, hotels, motels, those kind of things. Alright, so on the right now is a fishing village, the Portmore Fishing Village, or one of them, because Portmore is a very big place. You also have Hellshire. And then on the left and the right now you have a lot of restaurants, a lot of motels, a lot of bars. Basically at night, and we're going to come over here one night and make a video. A subscriber had asked us to, and it's probably a good idea. But in the day you can get a nice view of what's going on over here. Hi guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.